Welcome to another exciting Drupal tutorial. In this video, we are going to explore how to retrieve the post and get values in a Drupal. This is an essential for creating dynamic and interactive Drupal website. So let's dive right into it. Before we jump into the code, let's briefly understand what is post and get request are. Get requests are used to retrieve the data from the server, while post requests are used to send data to the server. Get is for reading and post is for creating or updating. Now we will move to the coding part. So for this demo purpose, I have already created the custom module Hello World. If you don't already have a custom module and controller setup, you can refer to our previous tutorial on creating the custom modules. So in this custom module, I have hello world.routing.yaml file. In this file, we will create the one page. From that page, we will pass the query parameters to our controller. I will create the new route for that. First, I will copy the existing route. Now we will change the route name to get URL param and set the path as get URL param, and in the default I have mentioned the controller, so this will point to the controller in this module. So I have already created the hello world controller.php file. This is the controller, and in that controller we will create the new function and its name will be get params, and we will remove the other things because these are not required. Now our route is ready. Save the file. Now go to the controller. To get the request, we need to use the Symfony class, that is Symfony /component /http foundation /request. Using this request class, we will get the values passed from the URL or the post methods. Now we will create the one function by this name which we have set in the routing, public function, and we need to create the object of a request class, request $request. Now in this function, first we will retrieve the get parameter or the query parameter which we will pass from the URL. So from the URL I will pass the one parameter as a ID. We will get that ID in a $ID variable. So to get the get request, the syntax is request query get and the name of the parameter which we will pass from the URL. So now we will echo that variable $ID and exit it. Save this file, and after that clear the cache. The cache is clear. Now go to the URL which we have defined for this page. This is the get URL -param URL, and in that URL we will pass the query parameter as ID. So get -URL -param, and we will pass the ID equal to 23. Now it should print the ID as equal to 23. Same way I will pass the another ID, any random number. So in this way we are getting the query parameters which are passed from the URL. And suppose if there are multiple parameters like name equal to ABC, and we want to print all the parameters, for that we just need to change this get to the all and remove it and print the, because we will get the result in an array, so we will print that array. Print underscore r, exit, save the file, and again refresh the page. So here we are getting the data in the for array. So this is using the query string. Now if I want to get the post parameters, so to pass the post parameters, I will use the postman to pass the post parameters to my function. So we will post some data to this URL, and the method name will be the post. And in the body we will pass one variable, name equal to dummy, and we will access this variable inside our function. So to get the post parameter, we just need to change this query to the request, and after that get, and mention the name of the parameter. Now we will echo this parameter name and exit it, save the file. Now send the request from the postman to this URL, and we will check what we will get in the result. So here we are getting the value which we have passed in the post parameters. Now I will change it to the anything random string. So we are getting this. If I change the name to names, so in that case we will not get any value. So in this way we can retrieve the values, post and get values from the URLs in a Drupal. That's it from this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more Drupal related tutorials. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or topics you would like us to cover in a future videos, please leave a comment below.